Bũrũri wa Kenya no ũgacĩre makĩria korwo wagĩa na atongoria agĩrĩru marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki na mataũkĩirwo nĩ ũtongoria. Ũyũ nĩ uge wa mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa bengi ya Equity Ndagĩtarĩ James Mwangi hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ararĩ na gĩikaro na arutwo matanyihĩire 700 arĩa macagũrĩtwo mathomo-inĩ ma ũtongoria rungu rwa mũbango wa Equity Leadership Program, na mũbango ũyũ woyaga arutwo arĩa mekĩte wega makĩria o mwaka na kũmahe motaro na mathomo megiĩ ũtongoria, muoroto arĩ kũrĩmĩra mbeũ ya ũtongoria kuma o tene.
If we want a better country, we need to invest in the leaders of our country, and that is the essence of this program. Our country can be better, but it can only be better if it has great leaders. And the best way is to really take those who are uniquely positioned, endowed, talented, and equip them. So this program is for those who everybody gives way to them because they are the best. And that's what I realized in life. If I want to be selected, I better be the best.
You are a special group. You have demonstrated high potential by the performance that brings you to this room. We have a lot of faith in you. We are putting a lot of faith in you to become future leaders in whatever field that you undertake.
Do not waste your 20s. And as I say that, I say do not waste your 6 months internship. Let something come out of it. I'm proud of the story of equity, because through this program, there's a very high retention rate. The best, as much as the opportunities can allow, have been retained within the equity family.